basically JSX features, okay, in which we write our HTML and JavaScript code together basically, okay. JSX help us to write our HTML and JavaScript code together, okay. So JSX full form basically is JavaScript XML, okay. JavaScript XML or you say HTML, okay, basically, okay. So if I go here in this app.js, okay, so this is functional component our, okay, this is our functional component basically, okay. And if we talk about the JSX parts, if we talk about any JSX part basically, uh, I think yeah, I just go to this first.js, okay. So if I write anything, okay, JSX part basically in simple what you say that JSX part is basically lie or you say written inside these bracket, okay, inside these brackets whatever we written they are lie inside the JSX part, okay, okay, means if we want to write our HTML and JavaScript code together, no, okay, then only we are able to write that thing inside these brackets, okay, inside this written part, okay, because the JSX part is lie inside this bracket, okay. So for example, think I have a div, okay, I have a div, and in this div I write this HTML code, okay. This div is also an HTML element, h1 is also an HTML element, okay. So if I try to run that, if I try to run that with the help of command npm start, it take around 1 minute because the app is starting first on first time, right? So that's why. Okay, now if I go here again, so now you see that it will be printed because okay, hello world is coming for app.js, okay. So I just remove it, okay. Don't worry, I explain you about what is important and other things, okay. Just I have to show you the JSX thing first, okay. So now if I save it again, okay, I think I explained you already, right? Import and other thing, right? If we create any other component, okay, so we have to write that component in our app.js file because this is the main component file, okay. So if I did not write first.js here in app.js, okay, so basically it is not executed or it is not visible also in our web page, okay. I think I tell you, right, Hinduja Sarvya? Hello.
Yeah, yeah, already.
Okay. No. Okay. So this is our JSX part basically, okay. Inside these brackets, basically, you see that, okay. Now, as I told you, here we write the HTML and JavaScript code together, basically, okay. So here you see that we are able to write the HTML code, okay. But think if I write something like this, as I gave you that example also at the demo class time. So like for example, this is 10 plus 2 here, okay. Okay. So generally we see that see that type of line, so we see that we want that it will give us an it will give us an result, okay, like 12 means 10 plus 2 is equal to 12, okay, means this plus sign is behave as a operator, and this num this these numbers 10 plus 2 are behave as a operands basically, that I want, okay. But here they will behave as a text only because they are written inside the h1 tag, okay. They are there is no operation, okay, there is no uh, addition operations are going to be happen basically, okay. So if I go again, so you see that 10 plus 2, okay, but I want that it will behave as an operation, okay, means it will give us it will behave as an operation, means it have to give us 12 as a result, okay. 10 plus 2, 12 as a result, okay. So and if there is operation, if we want it will behave as an operation, so it will lie around the JavaScript, okay, because it operation is basically the functionality part, okay, and we know that functionality is only working with the help of JavaScript, okay. So here we have to write this 10 plus 2 in the JavaScript format, okay. So as we know, for writing the JavaScript in our HTML, or you say in our JSX basically, okay, we have to write all the Java thing, or all the JavaScript operation, inbuilt methods, or any other thing basically, we have to write them in the curly braces format, okay. So now if I write 10 plus 2 in the curly braces, so now they are behave as a operation here, like 10 plus 2, so then it will give us 12 as a result, okay, right? You see that, okay. So this is called basically JSX, in which we are able to write our HTML and JavaScript code together. One more thing, whenever we write the JavaScript code inside these brackets, or you say inside the JSX, we have to write the code in curly braces, okay. We have to write the code in curly braces. Understand till now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the basic and common thing, very common thing, okay. So this is the JSX part, okay. Yeah, okay, okay, wait, okay, sorry, yeah, okay, wait, here it is, okay. So now the question is like, are we able to write our HTML code, are we able to write our HTML with without JSX? So yes, you are able to write the HTML code without JSX also, okay. But it is a very basically you say long method, okay. And I think I will already explain you, right, that method, okay. I think you have recording of that classes, right,
Yeah.
Induja?
Yeah, yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, na? Okay. So if you want to see that method also, you see from there, okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. uh, Sometimes they will ask in the interview, okay, that are you able to write the HTML code in the without the JSX, or you say without writing inside these brackets, okay. So you say that yes sir, and you have to write that method also, like react dot create element, okay, like this, and you have to write there, okay. So
Okay.
see from there, okay. If you have
Okay,
any
sir.
doubt from that time, matlab, that method, so ask me, okay. Yeah,
Yeah,
so
okay.
this is